What's up, guys? D-TayPyro Maniac back at it again with another stash update slash pickups. Got a little razzle dazzles. Everybody used to say, man, you got all this consumer stuff and all this other. And I'm like, man, I thought I was doing good for a minute. Consumer stuff, good stuff, all that. Fireworks to me. Got these Roman candles. They used to laugh at me because I had a whole bunch of consumer and I didn't have all the good stuff. But once I started getting the good stuff, people's faces started changing. What's up, Godzilla? I still kept that from last year. I'm just trying to get better and better as the day go by, but let's get it. Got a case of these winning colors. Bangers. I passed them up like a couple years ago. I didn't know what they was, but now I do. Slick Willie. Got a case of that. Let's go. What's this? Man, I ain't never been sick or had corona, but I got it now. Got a case of that. Next one, I gotta be careful with this. I don't wanna break it. The big thing. Set out the way. That's big right there. Break the piggy bank. I might do that for the neighborhood this year. Next, not how. None ya. So mind your business. That's banging. That mug heavy too. Get to these rockets, man. Got a case of these vampire killer rockets. Got a case of them. Gotta give me some more of these radioactive. First time getting my hands on these Reapers. Got 3 of them. I'm gonna do a demo on those and check them out. Like I told y'all before in the last couple videos, every time I go somewhere, I gotta get some jungles. I didn't even see that. Nope. But I got 2 colors because I ain't never had them in one noise, so we'll check them out. What's this? Crew Dragon. First time having this. This is my only one. I don't know if I'm gonna do a video, even though I should, but probably get another one for my buddy. Got my little bangers right here. Got DC. What's this? How many shots is this thing? I think it's like 16 or whatever. We got Marvel. 16 right there too. Hound Dog. 20 shots. Poke the Bear. 20 shots. Crib Keeper. 36 shots. Cock-a-doodle-doo. You already know. Now, got these right here. I'm gonna add to my wall of bang. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram, D-TayPyro Maniac, I'm doing my wall of bang. I just started doing that. I seen another pyro buddy doing his, so I was like, man, I'm about to go ahead. I want to do that too since I got them right here. So I'm gonna add these to that. Now, these look like the black box, but they're not. Thunderstorm. My buddy just told me about them when I went to go pick them up. They should be heavier than the cherry blasters that you see over here on my wall of bang. Now you see that says artillery shell. Other one says thunderstorm. But yeah, that's my wall of bang right here. You see them 6s. Now back over here. Go to these shells. Now if you know me, I gotta have my shells wherever I go, man. Dank. Got my case of danks right there. See, it's 424. Got my cowabungas. You know, got a case of those too. Let's go 424. Old glories. Big bangers looking like Uncle Sam. Got a case of them. Now, I got a case of the 6-inch at Narkies, but my buddy switched one of them out for one of these. Come on, kill it. That's that side. Look at the other side. Now, if you see my video, I already did. Checked out my page. I already did a demo on them. Now, those are loud. I can't lie. Those are loud. I was scared myself when I let the first 3 off. Tears from Heaven. Deal maker. I think that's 187 shots. I still got all that good stuff over there. I even got this little box of goodies. Still got around. Still got some of these voodoo candles. These right here, my pyro buddy Big G gave me these last year. These the old school double jeopardies. Bang. I can't remember the names of these, but these bang too. Firecrackers. You know, Bam Bam 2. Just a whole bunch of miscellaneous stuff I got in here, man. It's all this stuff eventually. I got one of these for the kids. I ain't even do it for them last year. I feel bogus. I got a bag of goodies from my pyro buddy. He hooked me up with some of these. I ain't gonna do none of these. I'm gonna keep all this. You can't find a lot of stuff like this. Crazy King. Double time. Double once. What's this? Super Blitz. See, I ain't never seen most of this stuff on here. That's why I'm keeping all this. See, I appreciate all my pyros, man. I be hooking up with, man. They hook me up with a bag of goodies. I wish I could do the same, man. I still got all this stuff right here, too. Over East Dude, nope. Nice. Whistle the noise. Shout out to my other guy, man, that got me these. Case of vibraniums. I've been waiting to get these. Give me a little pack of these black caps. No. So yeah, it's a stash update, man. I know how it's going down, and there's more to come, man. The year's still early. Let's get it. I want to see all my pyros do good this year, man. Stack up on all the good stuff. Shit, let's have fun, man. No hate, no none of that. Let's go. I'm out. Everybody, we all